with them. Thank you. So next, we will go with again Dr. Radha Ramapatruni. She is HOD and Area Chair of International Business. And the topic covered is the necessity of quality and standardization of MSME. Madam, please,
Yes,
over to you.
uh, thank you so much. Let me share. So I think earlier I have given an overview of what is the contribution of Indian MSMEs to Indian economy and how MSMEs have been supporting the economy and why encouraging MSMEs is important. So we have seen that the role of MSMEs play a very crucial role in supporting the economy because they support in innovation. They also support the economy by providing jobs, and very important, they support the equitable distribution of the GDP. That is, for example, otherwise there'll be concentration of urbanization or flooding of the urban cities with the people. But when you take the initiatives like district as an export hub, so each place, each region or each district, so what is the best that is available in that particular area or region, and how you can use these resources and skilled professionals of that particular area, and how you can start your own business. So you are supporting yourself, at the same time you are also supporting employability, and you are also projecting that particular region in the overall economic arena, not only of our country but also of the world. I think this is what we have discussed in the earlier session. So this session, we will concentrate on quality and standardization. I think many of the MSMEs, you must be having an internal quality system in space. Or for example, if it is a small MSMEs, maybe many of you are practicing the supply and practicing the process of quality and enhancing standardization. So here we will see some of the cases why it is always important when you are projecting yourself to the whole of the economy, and when you are projecting beyond the borders of the economy, why is it always important to maintain quality? So for example, many of us when we were discussing in the classes also, many of them said, madam, always if we maintain quality, we are increasing the cost of production, because every MSME is concerned about two things: what is the cost of my production, and for example, over the cost of production, is there any small revenue that I can generate for myself? And it is very, very genuine also. So always maintaining quality, do it actually enhances your cost of production? This is one question we will discuss. Similarly, when you standardize the process, so once you are standardizing the process, is it also increasing your cost of production? Because ultimately MSMEs are concerned about the cost of production of the product or the service that they are providing to the customer. This is very, very important. So here I would like to start with one small quote, which many times I have used and many times I have also heard. They say that India should become or India should far go beyond Germany, but India should not become another China. This is one frequent point that I heard many times, and I also used many times. That is because today also when you talk about Germany, when you talk about the case of Germany, how they have maintained the quality, and today also many of the automobiles, when you talk about, we take the example of Germany, because we get the quality products, quality especially automobile products from there. And whenever we are talking about China, I think we will talk about China market, we will talk about the likes or the duplicates that actually come up in the market. So they say that we should become, and we should, of course, I'll say we should surpass Germany also in quality and standard. So quality and standardization is very important. Why quality and standardization are actually important is, once, for example, many products, I'll take the example of many of the Indian products. When you see, so the product speaks about the owner, the product speaks about the company, the product speaks about that particular place where the product actually comes from. For example, whenever you talk about Haldiram, many of us might have tasted, we have tasted Haldirams, and it is known. For example, they maintain the same quality, they maintain the same standards. For example, in your own place also, you must be having many of the products where if you taste, you will say like, okay, this is the product